What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and yes, today is all about installing the DHCP services within our domain controller that we actually configured on the last video. So let's get right into it. Us installing DHCP within our domain controller that we did on the last video. I already said that at the very beginning of this video. So, I'm yapping. So let's just get right into it. So I'm at my domain controller, which is DC01 on the last video. Hopefully you guys checked that out. We configured our domain controller. And within here, we didn't really configure our domain, did we? Yeah, we did configure our domain controller. We installed the services and got it up and running. Yes. Okay, got it. Bingo. We're going to click Start. And within here, we're going to locate and click on Server Manager. So there it goes. Click on it. Once it loads up, we are going to go into the upper right-hand side and click on Manage. We're going to select Add Roles and Features. So click on it. And it's going to load up the wizard. So we're going to click Next here. We're going to click Next again. And within this section right here, we're going to locate the DHCP server. We're going to give it a check mark, and it's going to want you to add additional features. So click on Add Features. Click Next here. Click Next again. Click Next again, and install. It's going to start installing, and once it's done, you're going to get the following, which is great, where it says complete DHCP configuration. That is a hyperlink. So just click on that. It's going to launch the post-install configuration for your DHCP services. So click Next here. For credentials, you are able to change it up. I left it as the default, which I'm signed in as an administrator. So I'm going to click on Commit. And once everything is done. It created the security groups. It authorized the DHCP server. That's it. Click on Close. We're going to close this up and head to the desktop and click on Start. Within Start, we are going to locate Windows Administrative Tools. Click on that. That is a folder. It's going to open up. We're going to scroll down until we locate DHCP, which is right there. Click on it. Going to load up. We're going to double click on our server name to expand it. Within here, let's open up the IPv4. So just click on the little arrow to open it up. And there goes our IPv4. Now, this is where we are going to configure our first scope. So I'm going to right click on IPv4. We're going to select New Scope. You're going to get the New Scope wizard. So we're going to click Next here. We're going to give it a name. I gave it the following. This is going to be for my server and workstations. And we're going to click Next here. For the start IP and for the end IP, as well as the submask, I gave it the following. Yes, I am using a 192.168. If you checked out my pfSense videos, I use a 10.10.10 subnet. I changed it up. This is the reason why I'm using 192.168. Just make sure you have the correct scope for your environment. We're going to click Next here. I am not going to exclude or add any delays, so I'm just going to click on Next. For the lease, I'm going to leave it as the default. You are able to decrease it or increase it. This is up to you. We're going to click Next here. Now, for configuring the DHCP options, I left it as yes. I want to configure these options now, so click Next. For the router, your D4 gateway, I entered the following and click on Add to bring it to the bottom. And we are going to click Next here. For the domain name and the DNS server, I left it as is. So we're going to click Next here. I typically don't set this up, so I click Next here. Do you want to activate the scope now? Yes, I want to activate the scope now. So just click Next. It's completed. Click on Finish. And there goes our scope. We're good to go. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.